Good morning, boys and girls. Lesson 10-4, problem solving, look for a pattern. So we're trying to look for a pattern. A pattern is something that repeats, like a design. It repeats itself, right? So this is a pattern. It's a pattern that repeats. So this is a pattern. You see how it keeps going like that and like that. This is a pattern. This is not a pattern. There's no repetition, but this repeats and this repeats, so that's a pattern. A pattern is something that repeats itself. All right, and you can see something trending. All right, let's see what it says here. Home connection. Your child identify patterns in the first two rows of a 100 chart and use number sentences to represent the numbers. So it's something that we've done in the past, a 100 chart. It's 100 charts like this. I don't know whether you remember, but I could review with you. Looks something like this in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then it goes to 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I could put a few more boxes here. Okay, that's a hundredths chart. That's what you call a hundredths chart. All right. Write the numbers 1 through 10 in a row. So a row is this way. A row is going horizontal. Left to right, left to right. And a column is top to bottom, bottom to top. It goes vertical. Okay, repeat after me. Row. Column. Okay, you do the same. Put your hand like this, go like this. Row. Left to right, right to left. Column, top to bottom, bottom to top. That's column. All right? So, write the numbers 1 through 10 in a row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a row. A row. And then 11 through 20 beneath the row. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Have your child discuss what patterns he or she sees in the rows. Encourage your child to write number sentences or use models to explain the patterns. So you should see something that repeats, right? I'm going to put a different color. Does this repeat? What else repeats here? Yes, 2 repeats here. How about 3? Right there. You see that? That's a pattern. That's a pattern because it repeats itself. Right? Now you notice a pattern. All right, that's called a pattern. Let's go up and take a look at. Up here is what it's trying to tell you to do or to copy onto your journal. Well, you don't have to do much. You could just make up a number, look for a pattern. I guess you could. Okay, let's say this. All right, we'll just use this bottom. Let's say 18 is 10 plus, what is it? 8. Then you just put 18 in this box and draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? All right, that's about it. I'm not sure even what this is about. Okay, but you could do that. Let's go to the next page. Next page. We're going on. All right. Let's see what's top here. It says, read and understand. Read and understand. There's so it's partial part, a part of the hundreds chart, the first two rows, 1 through 10, 11 through 20. And then they have an arrow. Now you plan things out. All right, plan things out. So basically you have 20 things here. You have 5, you have another 5, that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you got 10 here. Let's see what this is. Solve. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 ones. That's 4 ones. This is 4 ones. That's right there. And then this is yellow is 110. That's right there. Plus 4 ones right there. 4 ones. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 10. Equal to 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 4 ones equal 4, 1, 10 plus 4 ones. Okay, and then you look back and check. 3, 13, 6, 16, 7, 17. 10 more, 10 more, 10 more. Again, there's a pattern. Right? We mentioned earlier. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and so on. So it's 3 to 13. The 3 and 3 repeats, but that you have to add, from 3 you have to add 10 to get 13. From 6 you have to add 10 to get 16. From 7 you have to add 10 to get 17. That's a pattern because the number 10 added is repeated. So it becomes a pattern. All right, let's take a look at number here. For the directions for the number pair 9 and 19, have children 1 fill in the top 10 frame to show the number 9. So here you just 9 draws 9 circles, okay, and put it in your journal for number 1. And then number 2, fill in the bottom 10 frames to show the number 19 and write the number sentence to match the drawing in the 10 frames. So 19. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to have to. All right, I'll redo it so it's less confusing. Better circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so here's 19. 10 frame, 10. Oh, something went. Okay, I made a mistake here. It's 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Let's go to the other side. Number 3. Have children 3 complete the first 2 rows of the 100 chart. So you just complete it. That's easy enough. We do the 100 charts every day when we were in the classroom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right? Copy this chart to your writing journal. Number 4. Find the number in the dark box. Fill in the 10 frames to show that number and write a number sentence to match the 10 frames. So I guess when they say dark box, they talk about this dark box, 15, 16. So 16 is the number we're trying to figure out. So 16's here. 10 is here because we're still working on 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's 10 plus. You should figure it out, okay? Otherwise, your parents can ask you questions or use manipulatives to help you to figure out what number this is. After you figure out what that is, transfer this equation to your writing journal. This, you don't have to spend time. You could just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Speed things up because we're not really doing art. We're doing pictures to represent these numbers. Best wishes to you, boys and girls.